Now there are two ways in which I'm going to show you guys how you can record sound onto your computer, which is a very simple process. Now the first step, if you're using an external microphone, what you want to do is have to connect up to your computer. Now what you want to do is to use a software. Now this software that I'm going to be using is called OBS software. Now you can go ahead and download the OBS software. If you're not download that software already, you can go on the browser. I'm going to put links of that software in the description if you want to use that case. Now what you want to do, once you finish download your OBS software, you're going to open it. Now once you open your OBS software, now this is like a recording of voice and videos. So if you're recording voice and videos, this is a great software that you can actually use. Now what you're going to do right now, so let me just remove all these for the purpose of this video. So as you can see right here, I'm listed onto this device right here. Now you can see some bit amount of audio signal on this because my mic indeed is connected on this as well. Now what you want to do is to add your source, which is the input capture. I'm going to select that and I'm going to select my mic right here. Click on OK, and it already connected right there, as you can see, with this device right here, audio capture input, which is the device being recorded. And now you can actually hear the sound quality of this mic right here inside my OBS software. Now this right here, as I said earlier on, is take advantage of video input as well. You guys can see right there my screen is blank because I'm not doing any form of video input on this microphone right here. So it's actually blank. But the thing though, I wouldn't really recommend using this device if you're not using video as well, because the file in this can be potentially get big. And if you just want only audio, I'm going to show you guys the next software which I'm going to use. Now the thing that you're going to search for is you're going to search for QuickTime Player. So I'm going to go to my apps right here. I'm going to click on QuickTime Player. If you don't see it comes up, so I'm going to click on that, and then you won't see anything comes up when you click on it. So what you're going to do right here, you're going to go right into this section and you're going to do a little pinch with your two fingers on it, and you can see the option right there where you can see new audio recording. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to see this option right here comes up on your screen. Now my mic is already connected, so once I just turn the volume right here, you probably can hear some feedback of the mic being transferred onto my computer. And you can see some sound bar as well, and you can click on this drop down menu and you can select the microphone that you want to use on this device right here to be recorded. So what I'm going to do right now, you can select the highest quality. I'm going to select this microphone, then I'm going to click on record, and now you guys can hear my microphone being recorded onto this audio clip right here. Now this is a single audio clip without no videos attached, just a simple way in which you can use this audio for a voiceover and stuff like that without taking a lot of space by doing a video recording and stuff like that. So this is how you can record audio onto your computer. Let me know if this video was helpful, and if you have any question, please let me know down in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.